Hello and welcome. Before the day asks anything of you, let's take a few moments to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with our body. There's nothing to force here. Just meet yourself where you are and let's begin. Find a comfortable seat and allow your shoulders to soften. Take a slow inhale through the nose and exhale any tension you're carrying into this practice. You can take one hand to heart and one hand to belly, and we'll begin with some neck rolls around in one direction, slowly rotating, allowing the body to alleviate any tension in the neck and through your breath. Then we'll switch directions, slowly rotating around, releasing any tension, tightness, stiffness. When your chin meets down to your chest, rise your head up slowly, then take another deep breath in and out. Release the hands down and begin to flutter your eyes open. And we'll begin to take tabletop, so hands stacked below the shoulders, knees stacked below the hips, back parallel to the mat. And we'll start with cat-cow. So inhale, draw the sternum forward, facing up. Exhale, press into the mat, rounding into the upper back. And we'll flow here for a few breaths. And as you move with your breath, begin to wake up the spine. Let each inhale create space, and each exhale help you release stiffness. Then we'll take thread the needle. We'll open into the right arm, lifting up as you inhale. Then exhale, thread the needle, threading your arm underneath your left shoulder and crawling your left hand off to the front of the mat. Take a few soft breaths here. Notice the gentle opening across the shoulders and allow yourself to settle here. Then slowly start to crawl your hand back and inhale, rise your right arm back up. Exhale, release the hand down. We'll switch sides. Inhale, rise the left arm up. Thread the arm underneath the right shoulder. Crawl the right hand off to the front of the mat and release the temple down. With every breath, invite a little more softness into the body. Begin to crawl your right hand back. Inhale as you lift the left arm up. Exhale, release the hands down. We'll take dancing lions, so you can crawl your hands forward just a bit, allowing more space as you rotate your hips back and forward around in a circle. Then we'll switch sides for a gentle release in the hips and the wrist. Begin to crawl the hands forward and release the chin and the chest down for a good puppy stretch here. Then slowly start to walk your hands back. Curl your toes under, lifting your hips up for downward facing dog. Lengthen through the spine and gently pedal the feet if it feels good. There's no rush. Simply allow the body to awaken. Then we'll step both of the feet right behind the wrist. Exhale as we fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Then take ragdoll, grabbing both of the elbows, releasing the crown of the head down as you rock side to side. Let your head become heavy and release any tension through the neck and shoulders. Then release the hands and inhale, rise the arms all the way up for chair, palms facing each other, sinking the hips down. Then rise all the way up for Tadasana, standing grounded and tall. Press the palms to heart center. Then we'll inhale, rise the arms all the way up. Exhale as you release and fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left foot back and release the knee down and rise up for your low lunge, bending into the right knee. Open through the front of the hip and lift your heart. Each breath creates a little more space. And press the palms to heart center, and we'll take a low lunge twist. Open the arms off to the side and then release back for a reverse low lunge, rising that left arm up. Then arms back parallel, cartwheel the hands back down to the front of the mat. Then slowly release back to downward facing dog. Pedaling into the feet. Then lift the left leg up, step the left foot forward, release the right knee down, and rise up for your low lunge. Moving mindfully as we switch sides. Press the palms to heart center and we'll twist off to the left, open into the arms, then lift the right arm up and back for your reverse low lunge. Open the arms to the sides, then cartwheel the hands down. Step the left foot back and lift the hips up for downward facing dog. Pedaling into the feet. Remembering not to rush here, just allow yourselves to ground. Then slowly walk the hands back towards the feet. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise the arms all the way up and press the palms to heart center for your mountain pose. Take a breath here as you ground. Then inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, hinging at the hips as you fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, walk the hands forward to a downward facing dog again, pedaling the feet, allowing the back of the legs to stretch here. Then inhale, lift the right leg up behind you for three-legged dog. Exhale, step that foot forward. Inhale as you rise the arms up parallel to warrior two. Gaze just past your front fingers, bending into the right knee. Then lift the right arm up and back for your reverse warrior. Hold here for just a few breaths. Then release the hands down to the mat and step the right foot back for downward facing dog. And we'll switch sides. So grounding into the heels for a moment, then lift the left leg up behind you. Exhale as you step the foot forward, then cartwheel the hands up to the sides for warrior two. Root down through your feet and extend confidently through your fingertips. Feel strong and steady and present. Then take reverse warrior by reaching up and back, staying grounded through your legs. Create length through the entire side body. Then exhale as you cartwheel the hands down towards the front of the mat and then step the foot back for downward facing dog. Begin to bring both of the knees down to tabletop, then slowly start to sit back. We'll extend the legs forward in front of us and inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, down for a seated forward fold. Lengthen first, then gently fold from your hips. Wherever you are today is exactly enough. Then inhale as you rise back up. Then we'll take a twist, bringing the left foot over the right leg. Gently gazing behind you, allowing any hip tension to release here and the lower back to stretch. Then we'll switch sides, bringing the right foot over the left knee and slowly start to twist back. Bring a soft gaze behind your shoulder as you twist gently. And we'll take a wide-legged forward fold, extending both feet off to the side. Exhale as you hinge at the hips and fold forward, lengthening into the spine. You can also use a block here to rest your forearms or just down on the floor. And take a few breaths here as you stretch into the inner thighs. And on your next breath, begin to rise back up. And we'll take butterfly, bringing the soles of the feet together. Lengthen into the spine. Crown of the head is tall. And hold here for just a few breaths. You can close your eyes. And gently press into your knees if that feels good, allowing for a deeper stretch. Then we'll cross the legs into an easy seat, Sukhasana. You can begin to close your eyes here as we settle and ground into the final meditation of today's practice. Bringing one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Take a deep breath in and exhale and release. Again, deep inhale through the nose and exhale, release. Notice the warmth you've created, the space you've opened, and the energy that's now available to you. Inhale as you rise the arms up. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, release. Palms to heart center. Namaste. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. If this practice helped you feel more awake and refreshed, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next video of Reboot to Rise.